We'll guide you through how to use Fairlight in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're in the Fairlight page by clicking on the musical note icon at the bottom of the interface. This is where all your audio magic happens. If you haven't imported your audio files yet, you need to go to the Media pool, right-click and select Import Media. Navigate to your files, select them, and click Open. Once your audio clips are in the Media pool, drag them onto the timeline in Fairlight. Now that your audio is on the timeline, you can start editing. For basic adjustments like volume, pan, or adding effects, use the mixer panel on the right. Each track has its own channel strip in the mixer where you can adjust the volume fader, pan your audio left or right, and insert effects like EQ or compression. To add an effect, click on the plus icon in the Insert section of the channel strip. Then choose from the available options. If you want to fine-tune your audio, double-click on the audio track to open it in the inspector on the top right. Here, you can adjust clip attributes, add keyframes for volume changes, and much more. To clean up any unwanted noise, use the noise reduction effect found in the Fairlight FX library. Simply drag and drop it onto your track, and adjust the parameters to suit your needs. For more complex editing like ADR or mixing multiple tracks, use the ADR tool or the bus routing panel. These tools offer advanced features for professional sound design. Don't forget to monitor your levels using the meters on the right to avoid clipping. Once you're happy with your edits, go to the Deliver page to export your project, making sure to select the appropriate audio settings for your final output. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.